Navigating the world of idioms. Know when to use them. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We are delving into the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions in the English language. Our specific focus today is on recognizing the appropriate situations for using idiomatic expressions. Understanding this can help to improve your English language fluency and make your conversations more interesting and dynamic. Idiomatic expressions, often referred to as idioms, are phrases that carry a meaning different from their literal interpretation. For example, if someone says, "It's raining cats and dogs," they don't mean that pets are falling from the sky. Instead, they're describing a heavy rain. Idioms enrich the language and make it more colorful, but knowing when to use them is crucial. One of the first things to understand about idiomatic expressions is that they vary in formality. Some idioms are commonly used in casual, everyday conversations, while others may be more appropriate for formal situations. For instance, the idiom, "kick the bucket," meaning to die, is quite informal and may not be suitable for serious or formal conversations. Instead, using a more direct phrase such as "passed away" would be more appropriate. Always consider the level of formality required in the conversation before using an idiomatic expression. Another crucial aspect to consider is cultural context. While idioms can add color to your language, they are also deeply rooted in culture and can sometimes cause confusion if the listener isn't familiar with that culture. For example, an idiom like, "to bite the bullet," meaning to face a difficult situation bravely, originates from the practice of having patients bite on a bullet during surgeries to distract from the pain in times before anesthesia. Without understanding this cultural background, the idiom may not make sense. Remember, idioms are culturally dependent, so consider whether they will be understood. Finally, ensure that the idiomatic expression is relevant to the situation. Just because an idiom might be understood does not mean it is the best choice for every situation. For instance, using the idiom, "break a leg," which means, "good luck," would be appropriate before a theater performance, but not necessarily before a medical surgery. Always consider the literal meaning of the idiom and how it may be perceived in the context. Thank you for joining us today. We hope that this exploration of idiomatic expressions and the situations in which to use them has been enlightening. Understanding these considerations can help you to navigate the English language more fluently, making your conversations more dynamic, rich, and contextually appropriate. As always, practice makes perfect. So, get out there and start incorporating idiomatic expressions into your English language journey.